during this quarantine, I decided to retwist my locks.
Dang, Dapper, you not bored?
I know that wasn't the smartest idea in the world. I had an appointment to get my locks redone. Fortunately,
For them?
they closed the salons because my appointment was on a Saturday. I think they closed the salons probably on a Thursday or a Friday or something like that. So they canceled my appointment and I was totally bummed about it. I don't know when hair salons are gonna be open. I'm praying for a win right now.
Me too.
This is before the wash
Oh man, that ain't that bad.
and this is after the wash.
Oh!
I'm very neat when it comes to my locks. Some guys like their locks messy. I'm not that type of guy. I like my locks to look super nice, super clean, and I get a lot of compliments about it.
You ain't getting no compliments now.
Some of you guys don't have locks. You have different styles and textures of hair. So this will give you guys a little bit of education on what it takes to maintain locks. Now for you guys that are not familiar with dreadlocks, it's basically them taking your hair and twisting it. Over a little bit of time, maybe about a month or two, your hair ends up locking. Now you're supposed to get them done every 4 weeks. Every time you get the new growth, you're supposed to go see your stylist. She washes you, they retwist your new growth, and then you look fresh again. And then you go back every 4 weeks. What I've done already is wash my hair. Now it probably took me about 20-25 minutes to wash my hair because I'm not an expert. Usually at the shop, it probably takes them about 10 to 15 minutes to wash my hair. Things that I'm using to retwist my hair. I use my wife's shampoo. Had a lock-in gel before just to have on deck just for emergencies. A box of clips has 80 of them in there. Then I got me a comb just to keep my parts looking nice. A few of these that I've been using to style my hair once I take them out of the styles after 2 weeks. The water bottle. I found these clips in my wife's stash of things that she takes care of her hair with, so I'm gonna use these.
Bro, you need to use that brush on them edges, man, cause you looking like the struggle is real.
When you take on this task, you gotta have a plan. My plan is to do like my stylists do. They always start from the back and they work their way up. I'm gonna take my hair and I'm gonna clip it, or I'm gonna use these so I can get the hair off the way so I can kind of tackle the areas I need to tackle. I'll do one now. I'm starting from the back. And actually, I don't want to start there. I'm gonna start here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this lock and I'm gonna spray it. With water, make sure that it's wet. And then I'm gonna take some locking gel. That's probably too much. Take a little bit off. I'm gonna saturate my root. And then I'm gonna twist it. That's a lot. I'm gonna twist it at the beginning, and then I'm gonna palm roll it. Palm roll. The excess gel I got, I'm just gonna rub it down the rest of my lock. And I'm gonna roll it again.
Whoa, careful, bro. You don't want to twist the lock too tight, man. You gonna lose your hair, man. Bro, you know you ain't got the head to go bald, man.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this clip it, and then I'm gonna go to the next one, which is at the bottom. So this is the next one. Looking kind of creepy. I'm gonna spray it. Put the gel in there, saturate. From the scalp all the way down. Saturate. And retwist. Palm. Feel pretty good. And I'm gonna take this clip I already got in here, and I'm going to clip them together. Usually they clip up here and then they clip like down here if you got longer locks. My locks are pretty long, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clip it down here. All right, so I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna have a whole bunch of Netflix on deck, and then I'm gonna show you guys the results. I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably gonna have to have my wife help me out. I got her as an emergency, so if you guys have never done this before and you want to have some courage and do it, especially during this quarantine with the coronavirus, make sure you got a plan B on deck. We have no idea when they're gonna let stylists back in their shops. I hope it's within the next 2 weeks.
Next 2 weeks? Man, chalk Netflix, man. You better queue up CNN, man.
But the way this virus is going, I don't know. I'm gonna make my first attempt after having locks for 7 years. I've never even tried to do my own locks. Today will be the first day.
All y'all prayer warriors out there, we need y'all to lift something up. I mean, y'all in the house anyway. What else y'all got to do?
All right, gents. So I retwisted my hair yesterday, and today I'm very happy with the results. Let me take this off real quick so you guys can see it.
Bro, really?
So everything looks good. Hair smells awesome. It feels lighter. I feel like a whole new man, y'all.
Well. I guess y'all out here praying prayers to move mountains.
So challenges that I went through during this process. First challenge I had was retwisting the locks. In the beginning, it was challenging because, like I said, this is my first time doing it. So over time, I was able to learn it and understand it. I got very familiar with how it should be, so everything kind of worked out. Other challenges is that it took like an hour and a half to get it done. The good thing about it was that my wife helped me do half of it, so that was definitely beneficial. So shout out to my wife. I mean, I just got a good wife, y'all. I'm just blessed to have her. Another challenge I had was clipping my hair. In the beginning, it was hard because I started from the back, and as you saw, it was hard for me to clip them. But over time, again, I got used to it, and it got a little easier. As I continued to retwist other locks, I was able to clip other ones within the clip so that I didn't have to use all 80 of the clips. So it ended up helping me out in the long run, and it worked out for me. And it helped kind of keep all the other hair out of the way as I continue to retwist everything. I also was skipping some. So just make sure that when you're retwisting that you keep checking to make sure that you don't miss any locks, because you want to make sure that everything is retwisted properly. And when I got to the front, that was the most challenging part, because after washing my hair, I saw all the new growth and it kind of messed up my parts. So I had to kind of repart it the best way that I could. I didn't retwist it tight enough, so I had to have my wife kind of assist me in doing some of the front. It ended out working out for me. The front of my locks look great. Last challenge was the drying process. Now I'm blessed because, like I said, my wife is a person that does her own hair a lot. So she has a hair dryer that she hasn't used in a while, so I was able to use it. So it did a good job of drying my crown. But as far as the rest of my locks, they were still a little damp. So I had to let them air dry. Now I know a lot of you guys don't really have access to a hair dryer. So what I recommend is that you just let your locks air dry.
Bro, ain't nobody got no hair dryer at their house, man. I'm about to use a blow dryer, man. I'm sure that'll do the job.
I don't know if that's a good idea. So overall, I'm happy with the results, and it's great to know how to retwist your locks. Sometimes maybe a stylist can't do it. I've been in situations where my stylist was having a baby and
not a baby though, bruh. She was on maternity leave, man.
So I had to find other stylists that were trustworthy, that could do my locks and do a good job to the level that my stylist was doing it at. Plus it saves you money, especially if you don't have the money at the time and you need to get your locks retwisted and you like them looking nice and neat. It's good to know how to do them yourself. Hope that I helped you guys out. If I did, let me know in the comment section what you think. So shout out to all my subscribers out there. I know some of you guys have different styles and different textures of hair, but I did this for educational reasons. You might meet a lady and she might have dreadlocks. You might think she attractive. It'd be dope if you know a little bit about locks. Yeah. But anyway, if you guys are new to the channel, we give you tips on how to look good, stand out, and get compliments. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. Thanks for watching. Always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.